Can you paint a modern piece of furniture that isn't solid wood and that has a high shine finish? Those are questions that I get asked quite a lot on my social media channels. The answer to those questions is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using some Dixie Belle products. Welcome back to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. I'm Connie from Faff Designs and I'm one of your Dixie Belle brand ambassadors. In the video today, I'm going to be making over this piece behind, which is a modern piece of furniture. It's not solid wood and it has a high shine finish. It's actually an absolute bargain. I managed to pick this up the other day from my local charity shop for £2 English. That's an absolute bargain. It's an ex-display piece that they were using in the shop to kind of display bric-a-brac on and just needed it gone, and I gladly took it off their hands because my daughter actually needs some extra storage in her bedroom that I've just decorated. So this is actually going to be very practical, but it is not in the best condition. It's got quite a lot of marks, it's a bit grubby, and this colour wood is not going to go in her bedroom. So that is where Dixie Belle Paint comes in. So prep work is absolutely key with pieces like this because it is a shiny finish. It's like an IKEA style piece. It's not even made out of real wood. It's made out of some kind of press board, which is definitely something I don't want to be sanding. As always, the first place that I start is with cleaning. I use Dixie Belle's White Lightning cleaner because it's a degreasing cleaner, which means it's going to get rid of anything that's sitting on the surface, whether it looks clean or not. There may still be things like silicone-based polishes that have been used on the piece, which can build up over time and cause issues with your paint sticking to the surface. So I'm going to give it a really good scrub with Dixie Belle's White Lightning. I've actually got a dish scouring sponge and I'm giving it a really good scrub with that. And this is a rinseable cleaner, which means once you've done your cleaning, you go in with some clean, warm water. I usually use a microfiber cloth and just give it a rinse down. So this is not going to be the most exciting paint finish that you see on the internet today. This is actually a piece that is going in my daughter's bedroom and her decor is quite neutral. So that's why I'm going down the route of kind of neutral paint finishes, which is obviously going to come a little bit later. This video is more to show you that you can take modern pieces and you can absolutely give them a new lease of life. So the thing that's going to enable you to do that is this primer. This is Dixie Belle's Bonding Boss primer. It's actually a 2-in-1 primer, so it's pretty much the only primer that you will ever need in your painting kit. It comes in a few different colours. I'm using white because I'm going to be using white paint, and it's a water-based primer. There's no smells, it's no nastiness, and this not only will block any stains from seeping through into your paintwork, this is also an adhesion primer. So this means you can paint this straight on as long as you've given it a good clean first. You can paint it onto a slippery surface like this one, but you can also use it over glass, metal, plastic, laminate, surfaces like that. And it provides adhesion for your paint to grip onto, which paint would ordinarily struggle to stick onto such shiny, glossy surfaces. So all you need to do is apply this with a brush or a roller. I always recommend doing at least 2 coats. Leave it to dry thoroughly in between. And then the key is with this product to leave it 24 hours before you apply your paint. Now that is important because it is a water-based product. It needs time to dry down sufficiently before you add your paint over the top, just so that it has a chance to dry down and do its job, whether that be stick to a shiny surface or block stains, or it could be both. But the key is make sure you leave it 24 hours before you apply your paint. All you need to do is 2 thin coats. Like I mentioned, I'm using white, but this also comes in grey and clear. There's more examples of that on the Dixie Belle YouTube channel if you wanted to check out some other videos. But for the purpose of this piece and this video, I'm using white, and I'm also applying it with one of Dixie Belle's synthetic brushes. The main question that I get asked when I use this primer on my social media platforms is, does it need sanding first? And the answer to that question is no. As you can see, I have not sanded this piece at all. If your piece that you're working with has any imperfections on the surface, of course you can give it a light scuff sand to get rid of those, but it really isn't necessary if you don't need to. You absolutely don't have to. The most important thing is to make sure your piece has been thoroughly cleaned first. So once 24 hours has gone by, you are now ready to finish your piece in whatever colour and finish you like. So Dixie Belle's Bond Emboss is compatible across all of their paint ranges, and they have 3. So it's compatible with terraclay paint, it's compatible with chalk mineral paint, and it's also compatible with silk mineral paint. And silk is the paint that I'm going to be using today. This colour is called Elderflower. It's one of the newer colours in the range, and it's a really pretty off-white shade. As you can see, it's got slightly warmer tones than the primer. I think you can probably just make it out. Obviously, painting white over white is always going to be a little bit hard to see on camera, but it is a slightly warmer tone white than the primer. And I'm using this because I already have a vintage wardrobe that has been painted in this colour in her bedroom already. So Dixie Belle's Silk all-in-one mineral paint differs from Dixie Belle's Chalk mineral paint because this paint has a built-in stain blocking primer. It also has a built-in top coat, which for me is amazing because I actually don't much like top coating. I do avoid it if I can help it. So to have this option is amazing, and the durability of this paint is phenomenal. I've painted a few things, including a customer's kitchen, in this paint finish, and it is fantastic. So all I'm going to need to do is a couple of coats of this, leave it to dry, and we are literally ready to go. That's why I love this paint so much. So like I mentioned, this is not going to be the most creative paint finish you see on the internet today. It's also quite different to the style that I'm used to painting because I do like to be a little bit adventurous with colour and texture. But it is good to show that you can upcycle pieces like this and they don't end up in the landfill. As always, thank you for watching today on the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and I will catch you next time. Bye!